This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Vidi Payne. Hidden gem tucked away on a cul-de-sac in Jolliff Woods. Offering formal living and dining rooms, big family room, eat-in kitchen, screened-in deck and open deck with lots of wood. The home also offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, laundry area with washer and dryer, as-is items, and a 2-car garage. Available for immediate rental. No smoking in the property and pet is limited to £175 or under with $300 pet deposit. Utilities that tenant must pay for: electric, gas, water, and sewage. For more information, review the details below.